everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. On this video, we will be designing a beautiful bracelet. It looks intricate like a bead woven bracelet, but it is very beginner friendly using soft flex beading wire in medium and some beads left over from my other designs from the newest soft flex company design kit. And if that kit is still available, I will leave a link down below in the description. That's the tutorial playlist for all creations I made with this beautiful design kit. I am just adding in some 3x5 millimeter gem cut beads, and these are from the Softlex Company live sale. Since this kit is based on flowers and springtime, you have to have butterflies. So I am adding these beautiful laser etched 17 millimeter coins in, a 2x2, a clasp of your choice, a jump ring. We're using these beautiful flowers that were from the Jesse James Speed Mix, and the exclusive items in this kit, 3 millimeter faceted fire polish check glass. And I just love the bright color of yellow. It's just cheerful and it reminds you of spring and summer. Also adding in some size 8 seed beads, and these are just glass, like larger size seed beads. But they're very neutral color to go with the soft looks because I really want to highlight the beads, like the gem cut, this beautiful flower, and the butterfly. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And don't forget to check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as all the tutorial playlists. Let's start creating. So for this design, you are going to need a lot of soft flex. You're going to need about 22 to 23 inches. Now, I know that may seem like a lot, but you're kind of doing some crisscross and it's like a double or multi-strand bracelet of soft flex. And we're just going to add on our first 2x2. And this is what is going to hold your whole project together. So we're just going to slide it on like we were a bead. On the opposite side of soft flex, you're just going to crisscross through. So it's going to create like a little X. And then we're just going to slide it all the way down. Slide it all the way down until it makes like a little circle or a connection point. This is where you're going to attach your clasp. So it's up to you how big or small you would like it. Just make any adjustments you may need. It's usually my kind of go-to size. We're going to take our pliers and just flatten our 2x2. Normally, I will round it for a more professional finish, but due to the placement of the beads when we add them on, you can just flatten it. So we're just going to switch sides. And also, you want to make sure that your soft flex wire is fairly even. If it's not, you can just trim off any extra to make it as even as possible. So we're going to go ahead and start by adding 2 of our 8 millimeter beads. And depending on the beads that you choose and the color of soft flex wire, it might show through your designs. If you use like a purple amethyst, you're going to get that little bit of purple through those clear AB beads. So we have 2 of those on. And then we're going to add on a gem cut bead, 1 on each side. And now we're just going to add on 1 bead. So 1 of our 8 millimeters, 1 of our size 8 seed beads, and then our 3 millimeter bead. So I love the gem cut beads because they just kind of sparkle and they get their name for looking like gemstones. And then we're going to add 1 more gem cut on each side. And then 2 more seed beads. So that is what it would look like. So now we're going to add on a butterfly. With one side of soft flex, we're going to go through the top of the butterfly. With the other side, we're going to do a crisscross. So similar to what we did with the 2x2. And then we're just going to pull. And don't worry if it's starting to kind of curl a little bit, it will straighten out for you. So now we're just going to do the same pattern. So we're going to pick up 2 of our seed beads, a gem cut, And then we're going to just go to one seed bead for spacing. So when you are connecting one of your coins, your butterfly beads or flower, you want to add two seed beads. And then when you're just adding one of the little like gem cuts or the little yellow beads, you're just adding one. And any bead will work for this project as long as two strands of soft flex wire will pass back through it. Add on our gem cut. So you can just see the sparkle and then just kind of that glow or that shimmer from the AB beads, the seed beads. So we have two beads on each side. Now we're going to add in our beautiful flower. So the same thing that we did with the butterfly. Add on our flower through one side of soft flex and then crisscross. This is a really good technique to do with these flowers or just beads in general that they don't want to lay the right way. Sometimes they just need a thicker wire or some soft flex. And then pull. And we have our beautiful design. So we're just kind of highlighting like the center beads and then just giving it those little colors of yellow for like a beautiful spring or summer day in the garden. So the next one we'll add on is our butterfly, but we're going to add on two of our size 8s and then back to our gem thread. So we're just going to keep repeating the pattern until we reach the end of our bracelet. So we added on all the beads, and it may look a little on the small side. Soft flex does have a little bit of stretch, so when you're wearing this, it will fit around your wrist perfectly. If you ever need to adjust it instead of having to redo the project, you can just add some more jump rings or a little like extender chain. But if you do need to make it larger for your project, maybe just add a bigger seed bead or maybe do a spacing of two seed beads through the whole design. So now we're just going to finish our project by adding on our 2x2, similar to how we started. And we're just going to do our crisscross. Now we're going to do something a little different than how we started it. And if you've seen my earring tutorials, this is one of my favorite way to make earrings. It's also a wonderful way to finish off a multi-strand bracelet or necklace. So it doesn't matter which side of soft flex wire you use. A soft flex 2x2 will fit 3 of these medium soft flex wires. So we're just going to take one side and pass it back through our 2x2. So it's going to create like a little loop or a connection point. We want those two size 8 seed beads resting as close to that 2x2 as we can. And you can see by the placement of the beads, this is why I just kind of flatten the 2x2 instead of rounding it. You don't want to risk chipping any of the beads with the plier. So then we're just going to make sure that our loops are fairly the same size. Make any adjustments as needed, and once they're the same size or similar, just take your pliers and flatten your 2x2. And then we're just going to trim any extra soft flex wire. And when you trim, you just want to make sure that you don't trim your little connection point. So we have our beautiful bracelet. Now we're just going to attach some jump rings and our clasp. And I'm using the lobster claw that came in the kit. So you just attach one jump ring. I'm just going to be attaching two jump rings just to give it a little bit more length. And then I'm going to attach my lobster claw. If you're using a two-part clasp, such as a toggle, you would just attach the second part of your clasp to the other jump ring on the opposite side. And you can always add little embellishments to the jump ring if you want to, just kind of gives it another design. And we have our beautiful bracelet using beads from the Softlex Company Design Kit and these beautiful butterfly beads that just really pick up the sparkle from the gem cat beads. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all the tutorials using this wonderful design kit, as well as more bracelet inspiration tutorials and the products used in this video. Have an awesome day.